Finally. I'm going to a new nail tech that my friend recommended. This one, like, it wasn't even a week in and all the gems already fell out, so I wasn't really happy about that. I'm gonna go to a new one, and apparently this one is only $20, so let's go check it out. With $20 you can't complain if it's good or bad, but I'm doing really basic ones, so it shouldn't be too hard, right? So I'm also going to get a drink. She gave a lot. It's raining, but I did my nails. Oh my god, they're pretty, but oh my god, it's raining. So one day I don't bring an umbrella out. Always rains.
She with me is someone else. I see your name everywhere I go. And now that it's over, I think that I
I've never seen this. High school. Tamkang. Oh. Wow. Bruna's taking me around Tamsui.
I'm official tour guide.
Yeah, in Tamsui area. It literally does not feel like Taipei. Well, it's not. Technically, it's not. But like, it's a, yeah, New Taipei.
Doesn't feel like Taiwan.
Yeah, but it's at like the tip of the island. The western tip.
Yeah.
Whoa, this area, I'm pretty sure it used to be where the Portuguese were, because it was like what was it, like Santo Domingo fort? Yeah. So this is where they watched potentially China. I don't know. Oh, it's so pretty here. Mountains. Huh?
Today the water is clear.
Yeah, the water's clear. I think it's reflecting the sky.
Yeah.
Oh, customs officer. 对啊，I'm pretty sure this was 以前的 government spot. Oh, cool. Oh yeah.
I watched one that I think a lot of people said that it's very similar to White Lotus.
Oh really?
Sirens.
Sirens?
S-I-R-E-N.
R-E-N?
S, yeah.
Oh really?
They said that
Is it old?
对，所以觉得说很酷 like
Yeah.
跟注意一下。
自己 You bike time! But I got a new Miffy Metro card. And it works! I'm with Bruna again!
Yeah.
We just got a massage. Oh, that was a pretty freaking good massage.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, the ladies, I think because we told them to focus on our shoulders, that at least my girl, she emphasized a lot on the shoulders, yeah. But now it's gonna be a sweet treat time. We're gonna get tiramisu. Yay! Oh, so cool. Okay, let's do it. 你要哪个？你要 you want 4, 2, 4, 3 or 2? Wow. 好像小朋友哦。
That one looks totally fell. Okay, let's do good thing.
Oh my gosh, this is great. Tiramisu secured. 是
卖吗？这样。还是
就是普通的，没有原味的 tiramisu。对，好期待哦！要开吗？我等一下，I'll send it to you。哇哇呀要。耶！开动。
这是什么口味？
伯爵 Earl Grey。
9点，每天早上也做不了饭。
6点就要走。好期待。感觉是蛋糕，你吃也吃了。There's more cake.
More cake down.
Yeah, mine.
它是算提拉米苏还是算蛋糕？哎，它好像它有提拉米苏的口味吗
I think so.
？Right？ 是不是没有？
我本来在想说要不要那个I think mine's better than yours.
可是你也不喜欢matcha？你不喜欢matcha？
I love matcha.
You love matcha?
I love matcha.
Who told me that doesn't like matcha?
我们是被 TikTok 骗了吗？
所以这是也是我们刚进货。
好，谢谢。
我觉得我这3个。
Oh my god, I can't believe we're getting a freaking labubu right now.
After all the hype.
Yeah, after all the hype, we have fell for the trend. 要打我？确定？
那3个，
那我要等一下。
搞不好中场。
好吧，
没关系，我们有2个
这
chance。
个要不要去穿？
你们有抽过了吗？还没有。你们是从国外回来玩吗？
哦，橘色。
这是。
哦。
OK， 好吧。
对。
刚刚你是哪个？
我的是
这个里面 ，right？ I think so. Yeah.
有没有想想？
Finally,
We made the big decision. We get a labubu.
好，我想要 secret。
I want the yellow one or the pink one.
OK，我要 secret 或者
我没跟你讲话。
pink 或者
Oh my gosh， 好紧张。Oh my god. OK。Did you see one?
No, yours is brown.
Brown? You want the brown?
Mine's yellow. You wanna? Yeah, can get it.
它里面有
确定吗？
Yeah. You want yellow? Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, 可以 give it yellow. 它有卡片。
有点像他的身份证。
哦，就是它。
那你买盒子应该要有。
好，OK，
好，
谢谢。
谢谢。
Oh my god， 好好笑。
Are you happy?
I'm happy. Are you happy?
I'm happy.
这个要卖你丢吗？
我喜欢听。
Mine's it's like a brown.
Mine's yellow.